Why does your scanner show the P0148 engine code? What does it mean? P0148 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel delivery error. This error code indicates that the engine's control module has detected a discrepancy between the desired fuel pressure and the actual fuel pressure. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pump, fuel system leaks, clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pressure sensor, fuel pump relay failure, defective fuel injectors, wiring or connector problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, Dodge Ram, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.